G'day everybody, got the parts for the 3505, so today we're going to be putting them back on. Dad's just gone to get some bearings for the hay rake, so I'll make a start without him. So my plan's first up, here's the new pump, looking nice and shiny, definitely freer than the other one. So first up I'm just going to clean up these few fittings, I'll put them in. I will put the pulley back on. I'll put it on. Probably give that a bit of a clean up too, get all that dirt and crap out of there. Once we get all that sealed on, we'll be able to start putting the fan and all the pipes and whatnot back on. So I'll make a bit of a start on that now, and then Dad will join me when he gets here and he'll give me a hand.
Oh, this thing, yeah.
Just to hold him up, yeah. Sorry. Alright, got the new pump on, it's all bolted up, and got all the brackets for the exhaust and everything back on, and the AC pump. So I'll finish putting the last few fittings on there. I might give the radiator another quick flush out, just flush any rust that's in there, which is pretty bad. Get the bracket for the alternator put back up, and then we'll be right to fill it with some coolant and give it a run, see what it does. Hopefully that runs alright. Alrighty. So, didn't manage to finish the tractor off yesterday because when we hooked the pipes up and got it running with the water and everything flowing through, it was leaking coolant out around this pipe here. So what we've done is whacked some hardening putty, it's like steel basically, on there to stop the leaks, and we'll whack the hose back on and we'll fill it back up and try again, and hopefully there's no leaks. So Dad's got faith in that putty stuff. Hopefully it works. This is the stuff here, just like, there you go, mix them together, whack it together. But it's got that on there, so you know it's going to be good stuff. So yeah, I'll whack the hoses back on the tractor, fill it back up, that'll be back down, and then we'll start it back up, check for any leaks, and hopefully she's a good one.
Rubbish in it, see if that'll fix it, just to get us through baling and get it to the end of summer. And then next year we'll pull the radiator out, get it fixed. So we need the tractor too much to be stuffing around, so we'll see how we go. Alright, got the bonnet back on the tractor. So as I was saying, don't know if you could hear me when I was talking about the radiator, but the radiator's still leaking, so we just put some stuff to block it up. What do I do with the can? I don't know where it's gone, but anyway, we'll worry about that later on. We'll probably do it at the start of next year, pull the radiator out and get that redone. Just because we need the tractor so we can do that baling. It's more important at the moment, so I'll either just have to keep topping it up with water, or that block stuff will block it up for now. But anyway, that's it for today. So hopefully the tractor will be alright, get us through for the next month and a half, and I'll see you in the next one.